Aloe vera is known for its thick and pointed texture. It has green leaves with flesh in it. This is a slimy gel that actually has miracles in it. There are a number of beauty products produced with aloe vera gel these days. This gel contains minerals, vitamins and the most important antioxidants. People mostly use aloe vera as a topical medication. They use it for rubbing it onto the skin and also consume it. In fact, it has a long history of use in treating sores, and particularly burns, including sunburn. Aloe vera has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It used as medication for sunburn, treating the sores and other skin-related issues. It helps in healing the wounds faster. The magical gel also helps in reducing constipation. It also improves skin and magically lights the dark circles. Also, aloe vera gel is used as an anti-aging tonic. The aloe vera gel is also beneficial in lowering the blood sugar levels. Tooth decay is painful and it may produce many other problems in your mouth. You can use aloe vera gel as a mouthwash. Rinse your mouth with aloe vera gel for at least 4 days. It had the ability of killing the bacteria that produces plaque. Study says that consuming aloe vera can benefit your digestive system and tract. It actually helps to soothe and cure stomachache and other bowel problems. So, grow this magical plant at your home and enjoy its amazing advantages.